Hello everyone! In this episode, we will continue our analysis by looking at core surgical efficiency data and clinical application scenarios of the 4 robotic surgical systems. 2MI achieves a 15% reduction in the average duration of a single procedure relative to traditional robotic surgical systems. EdgeMed features a consecutive surgery switch time of less than or equal to 30 minutes. Surgery delivers a 60% reduction in single-port surgical trauma area compared to standard robotic surgical systems. Da Vinci supports a maximum annual surgical volume of up to 800 cases per system. Each model demonstrates distinct advantages in efficiency performance to adapt to diverse clinical workflow requirements. Next, let's take a look at their core applicable scenarios. 2MI focuses on 5 grams telemedicine and cross-regional surgical support. EdgeMed is well suited for high-volume surgical procedures in general hospitals and wider application in primary medical institutions. Surgery specializes in ultra-minimally invasive surgeries across general surgery, gynecology, and pediatrics, and is a domestic model approved for pediatric laparoscopic indications. Da Vinci is widely recognized as a technical reference for advanced tertiary hospitals and is applied in complex procedures including cardiac and head and neck surgery. Each of the 4 models has its professional focus, with clear positioning to support varied clinical needs and procurement strategies of different medical institutions. From core technical data and cost factors to surgical efficiency and application scenarios, we have provided a comprehensive overview of these 4 robotic surgical systems, offering practical references for clinical deployment and hospital procurement decisions. Follow me, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming soon.